History. The pioneering adventure of jet boating took root in New Zealand, sparked by the necessity for a vessel capable of navigating rocky terrains without sustaining hull damage. In the 1960s, the solution emerged with the establishment of Craft and the inception of manufacturing aluminum hulls. The founder, driven by the desire to access remote hunting and fishing areas without jeopardizing the boat or its occupants, recognized the unparalleled qualities of aluminum alloy: lightweight, robust, and easily workable. Best inventions. ALICRAFT's legacy of innovation extends beyond jet boating, encompassing a diverse range of specialty boats. From police patrol vessels to boats designed for fisheries and oceans, cabin boats, and even racing boats, the company has consistently pushed the boundaries of what aluminum construction can achieve. Jet drives emerged as a popular form of propulsion, offering a safer and more efficient means of navigating challenging waters. Recent developments. In an ambitious move to explore new frontiers, ALICRAFT Boats Ltd. made a significant transition from New Zealand to Prince George, British Columbia, Canada. This strategic relocation reflects the company's commitment to adapting and thriving in diverse environments, showcasing its dedication to advancing the world of aluminum boat manufacturing. Current status. As of December 2023, ALICRAFT stands as a testament to decades of expertise in aluminum hull construction. The company's legacy is marked by a commitment to quality and a continuous pursuit of excellence.